Welcome to my channel Nisha's Creative Corner. Okay students, today we will learn about improving our handwriting. Often what happens, students start writing but they don't pay attention to make the letters neatly. So in the beginning, it is my request to the parents that they should pay attention to improve their words or their children's handwriting. So in the beginning, the students should do the practice of making strokes. They should do ample practice of it. Okay? So in this worksheet, we will learn about it. After that, do as much practice as you can. So in the beginning, what will you do? Only try to make the strokes, simple lines, slanting lines, and they should be in proper order, having equal distance, and do ample practice, as much practice as you can. After doing this, now this is just like C, and this will help you in making D. These strokes will also help you in maths and in Hindi also. When you make letters or akshar or digit in maths, these strokes or the practice of making the strokes will help you in writing neatly. So in the beginning, you can do the practice, or the parents can help their students to practice the strokes like this. Okay, now after that, start just like E. Don't pick up your pencil or sketch pen, continue it in the complete line. Only in order to show you, I have made different strokes in one line, but you start writing. Suppose you are going to make E, so continue making E in complete line. After that, if you start making L, so don't pick up your sketch pen and do this. You will enjoy in the beginning, and this will learn you, this will make your practice of balancing the letters. Now just like this one, after that this one you can do. After that, because you have learned making just like C, now give some better stroke here, just like it. This will improve your handwriting. After that, make this one, then this one. Again, you are making O. So don't pick up your pencil, continue making O and do this. This will definitely improve. This is the first exercise. This is part 1. In part 2, I will make you learn some other strokes. Definitely in your summer vacation, you will do the practice of making the strokes. After that, you can improve your writing. Thank you.